Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video, I will show you how to use tab control with your Visual Basic Windows Form application. So let's get started. I will just go to my toolbox and I will search for the tab control. Here it is. I will drag and drop into my form. And for the first time when you drag and drop this tab control into your form, it has two tabs, tab 1 and tab 2 by default. So generally, we want to use tab control when you have a little space and you want to show more. So you can double your space, which is available on one form by using tab controls. Okay, so let me show you first of all how we can generate more tabs in this tab control. So just select your tab control and just go to this collection, and here you can add new tabs. So right now I have two tabs. Once again I will show you. Just select this tab control as a whole and go to the property called tab pages and select this button and then add a new tab from here. Okay, like this. And likewise, if you want to remove the tab, just click this remove button. Now you can also change the text of these tabs. For example, I select first tab and the name of this tab is tab page 1, and text of this tab I will change it as login tab, for example. And the second tab I will name it as images tab, and third tab is to close the application. This is just a demonstration, so you can do whatever you want. So when I do this, you see here all the tabs have now the heading which I have provided to them, right? And there are other properties like background color if you want to change, background images also if you have any, you can give these images. Just go to the local resources and just set any image which you want. For example, this image I select and click OK, and you see in the close tab I have this image, right? You have font, you have four color. So basically you just need to play with the properties in order to run, or you in order to use these tabs. So now when I run the program, I have three tabs. One is login, one is image, and one is close, which have the background image which I set. And this has the efficiency of space, right? So your space is now multiplied by 3, which was available previously, right? Because we are using three tabs. And you can segregate your task in these tabs. This is also one use. So for example, now you want to add some of the tools in the first tab. It's just very easy. For example, I want to add a button, I want to add some label here. So I will search for the label 1 and 2, and I will also take a text box or a text box. So I will change the name of this or text of the label, which is first is name and second is surname, for example. Okay, so it works like normal tools. It has no effect, or these tools or text box or label or button have no effect whatsoever while they are in these tabs. So they will work. So this name can be used as it is, we have used earlier. This has text box 1, so this has is its own name. It doesn't change or doesn't matter if you are using tabs or not, right? So like this. And for example, in second tab I want to show some image, so I will take a picture box from here, and then I will choose an image. Go to the local resources and choose an image. Which image I want to choose? Like this. Okay, and I will make it zoom so it will be stretched, or you can make it stretch image so that it will stretch to your picture box. And on the third, you can add a button and call this button as exit button. So I say this is exit button. This is just a small demonstration, so you can do whatever you want with the tabs. I will just double click this and I will say end. And when I run the program now, just click this and run the program, and it has normal functioning. For the login page, for the image tab, it has my images, and for the close tab it has exit button, which when I press it exits. So in this way you can use tab control with your Visual Basic Windows Form application. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.